These people have murdered my brother. Awa.
Ni ruo rwa Alan Karaja kurumirira gikuo kia muru wa nyina Brian Njung'e Ndung'u uria ukwereire thero cia ceceni ya borithi ya Kiambu na njira iri na kiriga.
They beat him up badly, then hanging later.
Mwari wa nyina na Njung'e ni aratariria uria mamukirire thimu muthe wa kana na kuma muthenya ucio family no yao iyuirwo ni kieha na maithori.
He told him that he's a DCI and he was asking him information about our brother Brian. He went to lengths where he was asking personal questions, and then in the end they ended up having an argument with my brother, and then the guy called my brother arrogant, akakata simu. Jabi atariria nyina acokire kumenyithio murwe ni aikitio ngono na ari ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiambu thutha wa kunyitikana na mahitia ma uici nyumba-ini iria araikaraga. A gas cylinder, a MacBook, mouse and 2 umbrellas. That is what they said he took from his neighbor's house. Arauga hau na hau makioha thabari nginya ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kiambu na magiathwo gwikinyia kuo mathaa ma wabici kuhingwo matathirite. We were received by this caretaker. Initially we thought it was a police officer because we had not met this caretaker before. He received us at the entrance and took us directly to an office where we met that police officer. And immediately, or let me just say almost immediately, we asked to see my brother so that we can talk to him. The police officer told us to wait, that kijana mtamuona, that is what he was saying. If I can quote, he was saying, kijana hamwezi kosa kumuona, that is what he was saying. So we waited and waited and waited. Jabi atariirie kumana na uria meyonagira ni mambiriirie kugia na guoya na gwikwira kuri na maundu matathiaga uria kwagiriire. Inside is when they started narrating the incident to us, and then after a while they told us that we excuse ourselves, that is me and my mom, we excuse ourselves from the office, then he remains with the caretaker who will write his statement, and then we follow. This statement took a while. It took quite a while. It took a long time, if I can say. So we were just outside, up at the seat, at a bench that they told us to sit, waiting. And then when you listen kidogo at the background, you can hear them laughing. They were laughing inside. It was like a friendly conversation. They were laughing inside the office. Thutha wa gwikario kwa ihinda iraya mangikona muru wa nyina, Jabi arauga niguo atumia eri mokire, umwe mutarani na ungi mutungatiri, na magicoka gwetwo wabici thiini kuria mambiriirie gutarwo na thutha ucio kumenyithio ciigi gikuo kia mwendwa wao. As we were just seated on the seats wondering why are you telling us this information, then she posed a question to my mother. She asked my mother, what is the worst thing that you can hear that can shock you? My mother answered. She said that if my son dies or if my son is taken to prison. Then the lady was like, oh, hiyo ndio inaweza kushtua, if I can quote in Kiswahili. She said like that. And then my mother was like, yeah, you know, when he passes, he has gone. Then the counselor broke the news and she said, ni hivyo. That is how she broke the news. And then my mother told her some information is not supposed to be joked around. And then the lady was like, I am not joking. Ni hivyo. Ameenda. Macokire kumukora acunjurite ruthingo-ini rwa thero iria ahingiirwo.
We waited for a long time. But when we were to go and see him, now we went there and we found him dead. Yeah. I was very eager. In fact, I even walked past them, only to go in the room, find my son alone, hang kwa ukuta. It was very painful. It was like a dream.
He was the only person in that cell with 2 mattresses and a 20-liter jerrycan that had the top part cut off. So, and then he was on the wall, hanging. Had blood stains on his t-shirt and on his trouser. His nose also seemed like it was it had produced some blood, and also he was sweating. My brother was sweating.
Family no nĩ ĩkĩrĩire ũcuke itumire irigicĩirie gĩkuũ kĩa mwendwa wao rĩrĩ matarĩ maracemania na mũndũ ũrĩa wekũire Njung'e kũiya indo ciake. Oho family no yugĩte nyũmba ĩrĩa araikaraga ndĩrĩ na rĩtwa na arakoretwo athamĩra kuo ciumia 3 hĩtũku.
There wasn't even an arresting officer. My brother was brought to the police station by the caretaker and the lady just because he moved in 3 weeks ago. And the area does not have a history of thieves. So, first suspect, this guy that moved in 3 weeks ago.
My son has already his own computer. Hata tumeichukua leo from his house. An umbrella, he cannot take an umbrella. Aliacha umbrellas kwa nyumba na akonda zake kwa nyumba inside the house. I don't think hakuwa anatumia gas, anatumia koko jiko, so hakuwa anahitaji any gas. So it was just framing him.
Family ya mũrutwo ũyũ ĩrenda rũhonge rũrĩa rũthũrimaga mĩtugo ya maabitha a borithi rwa IPOA kuerera ũthuthuria na gũkinyanĩria kĩhoto kĩa mwana wao.
I'm really hurt very much and I want justice for my son. It's not easy and I'm very hurt. I'm very hurt. Yeah, because she's my younger boy. I had 3 children, now I have 2.
My brother was very quiet, very reserved. He enjoyed his company. That's all I can say. He enjoyed his company.
Ceceni ya borithi ya Kiambu ndĩrĩrarekereria riboti ĩgiĩ gĩkuũ kĩa mũrutwo ũyũ ti Brian Njung'e Ndung'u. Njung'e arathomagĩra kothi ya ũcori wa mĩako thukuru-inĩ wa kĩbũrũri wa kothi cia moko wa Kiambu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.